So 4 bits for 4 different size chains. An attachment here. Some spacers. And a screwdriver that pretty much comes with every Dremel accessory that you get. And the library. So unless I've missed something here, it doesn't actually tell me which attachment is for which chain. Now I do have this little thing here, but it just says, you know, it just says what they are: 3.2, 4.8mm, which is the size of my chain, but it doesn't tell me which one of these fits it. So that's a bit crap. Okay, so I suppose I'm just going to have to try and see which one fits. That one will fit. So will that one. That's too small. And that's too big. Okay, so it's going to be this one or this one. To the instructions. To the instructions. RTFM. If in doubt, RTFM. Ah, there we have it. 4.8 is the orange one. Woohoo! And that's one spacer. Excellent stuff. Excellent stuff. Okay, so this is our bit, and this will attach onto. I'm hoping. Foiled. I thought it would attach onto this part of the of the stylus for my Dremel, but it doesn't. It's too big. Bugger. One spacer. And that is that. Screw. And screw. As you guys know already, like I'm very fond of fond is probably the wrong word. I do like Dremel. I do like what they make, but I do have to say that they're wired products. Well, from experience, I've had two rechargeable Dremels, both the same model. First one I sent back because it didn't charge properly. The second one, the replacement they sent out to me didn't really charge properly from the start, and I just didn't bother sending it back. I just put up with it. So what I did was, eventually I sent it back recently. Look at that. Can you see that? It's not very good, is it? I was only hand tightening these screws, and that has sheared that off, bent the screwdriver, and it is now unusable. Way to go, Dremel! Congratulations! I was just singing your praise there, and your product has failed live on YouTube. Not live, on YouTube. Okay, so this is the way I use the Dremel, because I'm always sanding and cutting and I'm always doing fiddly bits, so I use that attachment. I use the stylus attachment all the time, and it's brilliant. Some power in it, like you wouldn't. Compared to the battery operated one, it is just excellent. As I said, I had problems with the battery operated ones. And I wouldn't recommend them at all. There we go, let's put that back out of the way. The problem with taking things apart is trying to find them again. So that's it. Now it was quite simple, but it was only complicated for me because I had the whole Dremel taken apart, you know, because I was using different bits for different things, for you know, using the stylus and stuff like that, as opposed to just having your Dremel set up. So I'm just going to put all this stuff away before I lose it. Put it into my little Dremel box. Okay. Let's rock. And that's it, all set up. I did have to use this little guide here. I suppose it might be easier if I come around here. This little guide, like this. You just put it down like this. Make sure that the stone is the correct distance away. And that's that. I'll put that away. Now it's about to get noisy, so let's see if we can figure this out. Chain brake is off. Chain is free to move. Okay. Give it a couple of passes and see how we get on. Okay, forgot to do something. Right lads, forgot to do the most important thing. Mark where you start. And I know, I won't just be sharpening and chain. So, that's that. All in all, I have to say it was fairly straightforward. It wasn't. The setting up of it was a little bit. Awkward, a little bit of messing about. But once that's done, that's it. So all I need to do then is just attach it and work away. Now, chain is sharp. I hope. I'm assuming. Definitely. See the teeth there, you can see the shiny bits where it has taken the steel off. Should probably give this camera a clean as well, it's a bit dirty. So that's it guys, overall it was £6 well spent I think. Seems good so far. We'll see how long it lasts and see how long the stones last. I do also have a backup, you know, with my hand files and stuff like that. But so far another excellent product from Dremel, and thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to give me the big thumbs up and like, comment and subscribe of course. Stay frosty.